This video we are going to install MySQL database. So go to your browser, then search for mysql.com. Go to mysql.com, then go to downloads, then scroll down, then click on community downloads, then click on installer for Windows. Then we will be install this 3 to 5 MBs of file. Click on downloads, then click on no thank you, just start download. After clicking this will start downloading. Go to in your file, click on this file. After double clicking this file, this installation will be start. This might take some time and also it can ask for permission, so grant it. Okay, in this case we are going to install full. Then we will click on execute. This might take some 2 to 3 minutes. Then click on next, next, next. In this case I will be put it as a developer computer. Then click on next. Then click on next. Now we have to keep our strong password here. That password is used to connect with database. We will put this password 2 times, and here you can also add users if you have multiple users. Then click on next, then again click on next, again click on next, again now click on execute. This will take some time. Then click on finish, then click on next, again finish and next. Then here we have to put our password. It will check the connection. So now our server is ready. We can check connection with it. Okay, it's working. Our connection has been made with our MySQL server. Now we will start executing. Now click on finish. Now click on next. Click on finish. Now it will be open our workbench, and here will be that connection we have made. Here we can also make new connection. Then click on this. Then put our password. After putting password, click on OK. Here is our dashboard. Here we can write SQL queries. In now we will check the only databases. So type show databases plus control plus enter. Okay, it's showing the databases. It's working. To run this, you can also click on